name is Alvaro Davis. I'm a retired Marine and my friends call me Gunny. I've been coming to Rainier Clinical Research Center ever since 2015. I heard an ad on the radio and it intrigued me because it was one of the health challenges I have. It was what they were looking for. So I decided to give it a shot and see what it was like. It was more being inquisitive than anything else. The reason why I stay at Rainier Clinical Research Center, as a retired Marine, I look at professionalism in different units and organizations and the unity amongst the people. And from my very first visit, they made me feel I was part of the team. And throughout that study, they made me feel like I was part of the family. It's almost like, you're doing something with people that you care about. And that goes a long way in my opinion and in my book. I have a lot of friends that tell me I'm crazy. You're being a guinea pig. Yeah, well, my quality of life is enhanced because someone else was quote unquote a guinea pig. Some of the medicines that we have today that do so many wonderful things, other people participated in those studies that was instrumental in some of the medications that I take that make my quality of life so much better. So that's a way of me giving back. Because of studies, for folks who may not have the ability to get proper care, for folks who may not have the financial backing or support to be able to either have medical insurance or to be able to get the necessary medications, like for instance, something as simple as diabetes and getting, whatever the medication is. Something as simple as getting medication for that can alleviate so many issues and challenges down the road. And in so many of the studies, they give you a full physical. So again, for those folks who may not be able to afford medical care and medical attention, that's one of the intrinsic benefits with coming and participating in these studies, is that they are able to get a full physical, and if there are any challenges, they can then point them in the necessary direction, whether it is through a community care system or whatever the case may be. But at least that person will know that they have a challenge, and then there's a way to get that challenge resolved. And then certain studies, they'll give you, unless it's a placebo, study medication. So if a person sees improvements in their health during the study, well, now that will give them, you would hope, the incentive to actually go look out, go and look for the appropriate help so that they can continue on and prayerfully have a better quality of life. They just make you feel good. So that's why I keep coming back.